Australian cricketer Steve Smith has praised Virat Kohli, saying that he behaves like an Australian in his thoughts and actions. Smith also mentioned their friendship off the field and expressed excitement to play against Kohli in the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy. Both players are part of the Fab Four list in international cricket, which also includes Kane Williamson and Joe Root. Kohli has scored 1,352 runs, including 6 centuries, in 13 tests in Australia, while Smith has accumulated 2,042 runs, including 9 centuries, against India in 19 tests. Former Pakistan batter Basit Ali has hailed Indian pacer Jasprit Bumrah for his wicket-taking ability on all surfaces. Bumrah, considered the best pacer in the world, has taken 397 wickets in 195 matches for India in all formats. Ali called him "boom boom" and highlighted his accuracy and deceptive slower deliveries. Bumrah, rested after the T20 World Cup win, will return for the first test against Bangladesh on 19 September. In a strategic move, Australia's Steve Smith is set to bat at No. 4 in the Border Gavaskar Trophy, while Travis Head will open the innings. Smith's vast experience and proven ability make him a vital asset in the middle order. Head's aggressive stroke play will provide strong starts and set the tone for the batting. This aggressive lineup aims to challenge India and seize the initiative in the upcoming series starting 22 November. Former cricketer Akash Chopra believes that India is on track to reach their third consecutive World Test Championship (WTC) final. He also predicts that Australia is the favourite to secure a spot in the final. The final match will take place on 11 June 2025 between the top 2 teams. Currently, India and Australia are leading the standings with 68.52% and 62.50% percentage points respectively. Chopra suggests that India can secure their place in the final by winning a couple of matches in the series against Australia and performing well in the home games against Bangladesh and New Zealand. On the other hand, Australia would qualify if they defeat India 4-1 in the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Chopra also proposes that the International Cricket Council (ICC) should consider making the WTC final a 3-match affair and holding it outside England to make it more popular. Mushir Khan, the younger brother of Sarfaraz Khan, has been selected to travel to Australia with the India A squad after scoring 100 in the opening match of the Duleep Trophy 2024. Chief selector Ajit Agarkar is impressed with the 19-year-old's talent and wants him to showcase his skills in the upcoming overseas series. Mushi will be part of the India A team for 3 4-day tests against Australia. He has already showcased his batting prowess by scoring a double hundred in the quarter-final and a century in the final of the Ranji Trophy. Left-arm spinner Manav Suthar is also being considered for the tour of Australia. Mushir's consistent performances have earned praise from former India wicketkeeper batter Vijay Dahiya, who believes he could become a good option for the Indian team if he continues to score runs. Former cricketer Danish Kaneria has criticised the Pakistan Cricket Board for naming Shaheen Afridi as one of the skippers in the upcoming Champions One Day Cup. Kaneria believes that this decision indicates that Afridi is being considered as a future captain for Pakistan. Kaneria also expressed his opinion that Afridi should not have been removed from the T20I captaincy after just one series. The tournament will be played from September 12 to 29 with other players like Mohammad Rizwan, Shahzad Khan, Saud Shakil, and Mohammad Haris also named as skippers. Former India cricket player Virender Sehwag chooses Rohit Sharma over Virat Kohli in the This or That challenge, picking up De Villiers over MS Dhoni and Virat over Australia captain Pat Cummins. Sehwag, who played with Dhoni, Kohli, and Rohit in the Indian team, will now see the duo return for the Bangladesh Test series after a successful outing in the ICC T20 World Cup 2024. India will face Bangladesh in a two-match test series starting on 19 September in Chennai. Shubman Gill warns against underestimating Bangladesh, who recently beat Pakistan in the longest format. Gill emphasizes the importance of not taking any team lightly in international cricket. Former India player Sourav Ganguly believes that Bengal fast bowler Akashdeep has the potential to become a great bowler and can bowl as fast as Mohammad Shami and Mohammad Siraj. Akash has been selected in the Indian squad for the first test against Bangladesh. Ganguly also mentioned that despite Shami's absence, India still has a strong bowling attack. Indian cricketer KL Rahul participated in a blind ranking challenge, placing fellow batters and bowlers in various positions. Rahul ranked Virat Kohli as the top batter, followed by Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Babar Azam, and Travis Head. In the bowlers ranking, Dale Steyn secured the top spot, followed by James Anderson, Jasprit Bumrah, Rashid Khan, and Naseem Shah. Rahul has been included in Team India's squad for the first test against Bangladesh in Chennai.